hello everyone. Let's analyze those questions appeared in LET 21. So this was the first set from the logical reasoning section. That was a tennis coach is trying to put together a team of 4 players for the forthcoming tournament. For this, 7 players are available, males A, B, and C. So there are males, that is A, B, and C, and females W, X, Y, Z. So there are females W, X, Y, Z. So टेनिस कोच को जो टीम बनानी है that is of 4 players only. So we have to select 4 players, and there are 3 males, 4 females. All players have equal capability and at least 2 males will have to be there in the team. So condition यहाँ पे क्या है कि at least 2 males होने चाहिए. So to select 4 persons, we should have at least 2 males. Okay, there should be at least 2 males. For a team of 4, all players must be able to play with each other. So जो टीम बनेगी उसमें जो प्लेयर्स होंगे वो एक दूसरे के साथ खेल सकते हैं, वो कंडीशन फॉलो होनी चाहिए. ठीक है. नाउ बट बी कैनॉट प्ले विद डब्ल्यू. इसमें फर्स्ट कंडीशन है दैट बी कैनॉट प्ले विद डब्ल्यू, सी कैनॉट प्ले विद जेड, एंड डब्ल्यू कैनॉट प्ले विद वाई. ये 3 कंडीशन पर अपन को ध्यान रखनी है टीम बनाने से पहले. ठीक है. और जो टीम बनेगी फाइनल, उसमें सब जो भी प्लेयर्स हैं, ऑल फोर्स, दे कैन प्ले विद ईच अदर. ओके, दैट इज द पॉइंट. नाउ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इफ वाई इज सिलेक्टेड and B is rejected. So they are saying that Y is selected and B is, sorry, if Y is selected and B is rejected. So B is rejected and we have to keep at least 2 males. So that means A और C तो आएंगे ही आएंगे. ठीक है. So if Y is selected and B is rejected, then the team will consist of which one of the following groups? So we should know that the team must contain A, C and Y. So we have to look for those options जिसमें A, C, Y हो. ठीक है. So A, C, Y तो है. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन में A, C, Y तो है. बट देर इज अ पर्सन W. बट W पे कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं होनी चाहिए. अपन को पता है यहाँ पे कि B के साथ W नहीं होना चाहिए और W के साथ Y नहीं होना चाहिए. सो दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे W और Y शुड नॉट बी टुगेदर. सो दिस ऑप्शन इज इनकरेक्ट. सेकेंड, ए सी और वाई तो है, दे शुड बी देयर. और एक्स, सो एक्स पे कोई कंडीशन है क्या? यहाँ पे बोला है बी डब्ल्यू साथ नहीं होना चाहिए, सी जेड साथ नहीं होना चाहिए, डब्ल्यू वाई साथ नहीं होना चाहिए. सो एक्स पे कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शंस नहीं है. सो एक्स कैन बी इन द टीम. सो इफ आई इंक्लूड एक्स, देन ऑल 4 players कैन play with each other. Okay, so that means option B is correct answer. Okay, now let's look the next question. If B is selected and Y is rejected, then the team will consist of which of the following groups? So we have to form the team of 4 players. So that means B is selected and Y is rejected. So A, B, C can be in the team because there should be at least 2 males. So 3 males is okay. But we have to maintain this condition that B cannot play with W. But here B and W are together, so that is incorrect. Next, A, B, C could be together because there should be at least 2 males, and the condition is A, B, C and Y are can they to be together? So A, B, C, Y ये साथ हो सकते हैं क्या? A, B, C तो ओके है, बट अपन को कंडीशन क्या पता? W cannot play with Z, but Y is already rejected, so B option is incorrect. Okay, next, A, B, C and X. A, B, C and X. So A, B, C and X में A, B, C can be together. Okay, और X पे तो कोई कंडीशन है ही नहीं. सो C इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, क्योंकि A, B, C कैन बी टुगेदर बिकॉज 2 मेल एटलीस्ट होने थे. सो A, B, C भी तीनों भी हो सकते हैं. ठीक है. और X पे तो कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन है ही नहीं, तो दैट इज करेक्ट. एंड फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज ऑब्वियसली करेक्ट क्योंकि B इज सिलेक्टेड, तो फोर्थ ऑप्शन में तो B है ही नहीं, so that is incorrect. Okay, let's look at the next question. If all 3 males are selected, so if all 3 males are selected, then how many combinations of 4 member teams are possible? तो कितने combination बन सकते हैं? So all 3 males are selected. So we know that B cannot play with W, so W तो आएगा नहीं. C cannot play with Z, तो Z भी नहीं आएगा. W cannot play with Y. Okay, so W cannot play with Y, that is the different condition. So we have W, X, Y and Z. W and Z तो eliminate हो गए. Okay, now we are left with X and Y. So X could be in team and A, B, C, Y could be in team. Because W cannot play with Y. तो यहाँ W तो है नहीं तो Y could be there. Okay, so these are the two combination which are possible. That is option B. Okay, now let's look at the next question. Understand the relation between the set of words and choose the correct options. Fish is to school. So we know that school, if you know that school is what group of fishes swimming together is also known as school of fishes. Okay. Now, so that is it is the group of fishes. The group of fishes swimming together. Similarly, we can say that wolf is to pack. Yeah, that is correct because pack, that is the group of animals who hunt together, who attack together. Okay, so wolves is to pack is correct because the pack of wolves could be correct because pack of wolves can hunt. So that means pack is the group of wolves. So that is option A is correct. So this is the perfect relationship that was maintained between fish and school. Okay. Next, pastoral is to rural. So pastoral represent rural areas. So pastoral means rural areas का representation. Okay. So with this harvest, autumn, no, that is quite different. Sleepy, nocturnal, they are opposite. Metropolitan represent urban. Yeah, that is correct. Metropolitan cities is same as urban cities like. Okay. So that is option C. Next, sorry. Sound is to cacophony. Cacophony is the harsh sounds, unpleasant sound. So unpleasant sound. So that is unpleasant sound relationship. So this is the unpleasant and its sound. So speech oration, that is not oration is not unpleasant because that is the formal speech. Touch massage, that is not unpleasant. Smell stench, yes, that is the unpleasant. Unpleasant smell is stench. Okay, so that is the correct relationship. So that is option C. Okay, now let's look at the next. Identify the missing letters in the sets of the series given below. So we have to find the missing letters. So we have Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, missing letter E, D, C. Okay. So if I look at here, if I observe these two combination that L, if I start from L or N, M, N, O, P, Q, that means N plus 3, that is Q. M plus 3, M, N, O, P, so that is plus 3. L, M, N, O, so that is plus 3. L plus 3O, M plus 3P, N plus 3Q. We can see that K plus 3N, KLMN, okay, same relationship, J plus 3M, I plus 3 is L. So we can identify this pair. E should be plus 3, so E, F, G, H. So option should start with H. So only option starting with H is A. और यहाँ पे none of these तो है नहीं. So that must be the correct. We can check D, E, F, G. That is okay. C, D, E, F. That is okay. So answer is option A. Okay. Now let's look at the next. A, T, N, H, G, D, K, C, M, B, C, V, P, J, I, G, N, F, P, E, E, X, R, L, K, J, Q, I, S, H, G, Z, T, N, M. Okay. So if you observe here that this series is type of alternate series. So A plus 2 is C, T U V plus 2 is V, N plus 2 is P, H plus 2 is J, N H I J, G plus 2 is I. Okay, G H I. So this is the relationship between first and third terms. D के C M B के बीच में क्या रिलेशन हो सकता है? If I see with D and G, so that is D plus 3, D E F G. Okay, K L M N, that is plus 3. C plus 3 is F. M plus 3 is P, M N O P. B plus 3, B, C, D, E. So B plus 3 is E. Okay, so that is plus 3 arrangement. So that is all letters are plus 3. D plus 3 G, K plus 3 N, C plus 3 F, M plus 3 P, and B plus 3 is E. So that means this must be related with this and this must be related with the missing figure, that missing term. So that must be answer. So J plus 3, J, K, L, M, J, K, L, M, Q, R, S, T, I, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, S, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, okay, then H, I, J, K, so that is M, T, L, V, K. So that is the option B. एग्जाम में ये M फिगर मिसिंग था, but this is the correct option T, L, V, K. Okay, these cannot be the answers. So that is M, T, L, V, K. Okay, now let's look at the next. So that is based on directions. So let's solve it. Ramesh traveled from a point and straight to Y at a distance of 90 meter. Okay. So suppose Ramesh is here at point X. He travels 90 meter. Then he turns right. That means south. Right turn will be south direction and walk 40. So that is 40. Then again turn right and walk 70. So then again turn right and walk 70. So that is the 70. This is the final position. And walked 70 finally. Finally he turned right again. That means अब right लेगा तो north direction हो जाएगा and walk 40. So that means this is the 40. How far is from the starting point? So this was the starting point X. So कितना दूर है वो starting point से? This is 70. Total was 90. Okay, so 90 minus 70 is 20. So which is option C. Okay, next. Ram and Sunil start from a fixed point. Ram moves 4 kilometers to the south, then turns left and moves 3 kilometers. Sunil moves 3 kilometers towards west, then turns right and moves 4 kilometers further. How far apart are they now? Okay, so there are two persons, Ram and Sunil. So they start from the same point, let's say X. Ram moves 4 kilometers to the south. So Ram moves 4 kilometers south, then turns left and moves 3 kilometers. Left means east direction, that means 3 kilometers. This part is 4. Okay. So this is the final position of Ram. Sunil moves 3 kilometers towards west. So Sunil moves 3 kilometers towards west. This is 3 kilometers. And then turns right and moves 4 kilometers further. So he moves 4 kilometers further. So this is the final position of Sunil. And this is the final position of Ram. This was the final position of Ram. How far apart are they now? So if you can observe here that this is 5 because this is the right angle triangle 3, 4, 5 Pythagoras triplet. This is 4, this is 3. That means this must be right angle and this should also be 5. So 5 plus 5, that is option C, that is 10 kilometer. Okay. So let's look at the next. Rashmi travels 10 kilometers towards the north, then turns left and travels 4 kilometers, then again turns right and covers another 5, and then turns right, travels another 4. How far is she from the starting point? So Rashmi travels 10 kilometers north, so that is 10 kilometers north, turns left and travels 4, so she turns left, travels 4, and then again turns right, covers another 5, so she covers another 5, and then turns right and travels another 4, so then she turns 4. So this is the 4 kilometer. If I reduce the distance, so that would be better. Let's suppose this is the 5, then she turns 4 kilometer right. Okay. Next is how far is she from the starting point? So this was the starting point, guys. This was the starting point. So she was 5 plus this 10. So 5 plus 10, 15 kilometer She's away from the starting point. That is option D. Okay. Let's look at the last question. The question is man is to biography, nation is to what? So biography, description of man, life. Okay. So life का जो description है man का, that will be the biography. So in a similar way, किस चीज का डिस्क्रिप्शन, नेशन का डिस्क्रिप्शन, मैन का डिस्क्रिप्शन इज बायोग्राफी, सो नेशन का डिस्क्रिप्शन विल बी ज्योग्राफी, पीपल, हिस्ट्री, लीडर, दैट मस्ट बी हिस्ट्री ओनली because description of nation will be in history. Okay, so that is the B option is correct answer. Okay, so guys, this was the questions from logical reasoning. It was quite easy questions, appeared in LET 2021. Hope you have done that, okay, and understood in this session also. Thank you.